Yeah.
18C Beta 3, 18B67A Beta 4, 18B73A Beta 5, 18B75 RTM, 18B2084 RTM for 2018 MacBook Air, 18B2103 revised update for 2018 MacBook Air, 18B2107 supplemental update, 18B3094 RTM for 2018 15-inch MacBook Pro with Radeon Pro Vega, 10.14.2 edit source, 18C31A Beta 1, 18C31G Beta 1 update, 18C38B Beta 2, 18C48A Beta 3, 18C52A Beta 4, 18C54 RTM, 10.14.3 edit source, 18D21C Beta 1, 18D32A Beta 2, 18D38A Beta 3, 18D39A Beta 4, 18D42 RTM, 18D43 revised update, 18D109 supplemental update, 10.14.4 edit source, 18B174F Beta 1, 18B184E Beta 2, 18B194D Beta 3, 18B205E Beta 4, 18B215A Beta 5, 18B228 Beta 6, 18 times 10 to the power of 226 RTM, 18 times 10 to the power of 227 revised update, 18B2034 RTM for 2019 21.5-inch and 27-inch iMac, 10.14.5 edit source, 18F96H Beta 1, 18F108F Beta 2, 18F118D Beta 3, 18F127A Beta 4, 18F131A Beta 5, 18F132 RTM, 18F203 supplemental update, 18F2015 RTM for 2019 MacBook Air and two Thunderbolt 13-inch MacBook Pro, 18F2059 revised update for 2019 MacBook Air and two Thunderbolt 13-inch MacBook Pro.